How much does it actually cost to track a GT4 versus a Miata? I'm gonna break it down for you. Let's start with the cost that doesn't change based on the car. The track day itself. Most track days land between $200 and $300 for the whole day. Some premium events can go higher, or if you want coaching, that can be an additional fee. But that's the typical range. And that usually includes 5 to 6 sessions at 20 to 30 minutes each. Next up, fuel. On track, your car is running at higher RPM, so fuel consumption jumps way up. Most cars burn more than one fuel tank per day. And if there's no nearby gas stations, you're stuck paying for overpriced fuel on site. For Miata, I'm spending around $100 to $120 per day. In a GT4, it's closer to $170 to $200. The biggest ongoing cost of track driving. A lighter, lower powered car like the Miata is going to be easier on tires. Tires on a Miata can last between 6 to 8 track days. On a GT4, you're looking at 4 to 6. For brake pads and rotors, a set on the Miata is going to be cheaper. The rotors last longer and the car doesn't stress them as much. GT4 pads and rotors are bigger, more expensive, and wear a lot faster. For the Miata brakes and pads, a set of Willwood rotors go for $962, and a set of track brake pads go for $535. And those will last 8 to 10 days. For the GT4, a set of Paragon rotors are $2,700 and Paget brake pads are $1,300. Plus, you have to get the brake sensor and clips and screws for $400. Those brakes will last you around 10 to 12 days. And then there's maintenance fluid changes. There's oil changes, brake fluid flush, and transmission and diff fluid. And then the cost that is heavily impacted by the type of car you have. Insurance. Track insurance covers damage to your own car, things that a normal insurance company won't even touch. A Miata insurance policy is around $300, but for a GT4, that jumps up to $700 to $900 a day. So if you're tracking a car that you can't really afford to total, that's worth thinking about. So if you average it out per day, all of that comes down to, for the Miata, $672 to $889 without insurance. With insurance, it's $972 to $1,189. For the GT4, without insurance, you're looking at $1,085 to $1,420. With insurance, $1,785 to $2,320 per day. Let me know if that price surprised you or if I forgot something. Now, let me finish swapping the wheels on the GT4 for autocross, which is way more affordable, and I'll break down that cost in another video. Thanks for watching.